Hello and welcome to this video on how to make money with ChatGPT. ChatGPT is a chatbot that uses advanced artificial intelligence to generate human-like responses to user input. It's a fun and engaging tool that can be used for a variety of purposes, including making money. So, how can you use ChatGPT to earn some extra cash?
This is Video Connect TV, your #1 entrepreneurship channel. Want to take your business to the next level and make extra income? Then, subscribe to Video Connect TV now.
Here are a few ideas. Offer personalized chatbot services to businesses. Many companies are interested in using chatbots to improve customer service, answer frequently asked questions, or even sell products and services. You can offer to build and manage a ChatGPT chatbot for these businesses, and charge a fee for your services. Sell access to a ChatGPT chatbot you've created. If you've built a chatbot that provides a unique and valuable service, you can sell access to it for a fee. For example, you could create a chatbot that helps people plan their vacations, and charge a subscription fee for access to it. Use ChatGPT to create content for social media or your own website. ChatGPT can generate all sorts of interesting and engaging content, from jokes and memes to articles and stories. You can use this content to build a following on social media or to attract visitors to your own website, and then monetize that audience through advertising or sponsorships. So there you have it, 3 ways you can use ChatGPT to make money. Whether you're offering chatbot services to businesses, selling access to a chatbot you've created, or using ChatGPT to generate content, there are plenty of opportunities to earn some extra cash with this powerful tool.
If you like this video, subscribe to Video Connect TV, and when you subscribe, click on the bell button, so that you will be notified when we upload new videos on different ways you can take your business to the next level and make extra income online. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.